This is the recipe for Galactago powder for lactating mothers. The required ingredients are fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, white sesame seeds and pumpkin seeds. First dry roast all the ingredients for around 5 minutes till they slightly change their color. This will reduce the phytate and oxalate content of the ingredients. Phytates and oxalates bind to important nutrients and reduce their absorption. Dry roasting the ingredients will also reduce the moisture content in them and will increase shelf life of the Galactago powder. Now, dry roast 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds, which is approximately 9 grams. Then 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, which is approximately 8 grams. Then 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, which is approximately 10 grams. And lastly, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, which is approximately 10 grams. Now cool all the ingredients and grind them together to form a fine powder. The powder is a natural source of galactagogues. Galactagogue comes from a Greek word, galacta, which means milk. A galactagogue is a substance that promotes lactation in humans. This powder will help lactating mothers to increase or maintain their milk production. Breast milk is suggested to be the only food for babies up to the age of 6 months. Breast milk is a rich source of all the important vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin B complex and minerals such as calcium, iron, zinc, sodium, magnesium, selenium, etc. All these micronutrients will ensure proper mental and physical growth and development of the baby. Hence, it is very important to maintain proper breast milk supply to the baby. Galactagogue powder will help for the same. Use 1 tablespoon of this powder for 2 to 3 times a day with regular meals. 1 tablespoon Galactagogue powder gives around 23 kilocalories of energy, 1 gram carbohydrate, 1 gram protein, 1 gram fat. Store the powder in an airtight container to keep it fresh for a longer period of time and avoid spoiling. Thank you. The main ingredients are 15 grams powdered sugar, 30 grams besan, 15 grams ghee and 1 tablespoon Galactagogue powder. Heat 15 grams of ghee in a kadhai and add 30 grams besan when it melts. Roast on low flame until the besan is well combined with ghee. After 20 minutes, the besan starts to release ghee. Continue to roast until the besan turns golden brown and grainy. After approximately 30 minutes, turn off the flame and allow the mixture to cool down slightly. Now that mixture has cooled down, add 15 grams of powdered sugar and 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. Add 1 tablespoon Galactagogue powder and mix everything together. Now make ball-sized laddus. Besan laddus are ready. This recipe gives 2 besan laddus of 49 grams. The main ingredients to make thali peet are bajra flour, ragi flour, jowar flour, finely chopped onion, ghee, Galactagogue powder and spices. Start by making the dough for thali peet. In a platter, take 10 grams of bajra flour, 10 grams of ragi flour, and 10 grams of jowar flour. Add 50 grams of onion and handful of coriander. Now add 1 tablespoon Galactagogue powder. Salt as per taste. Then add the spices: red chili powder, turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, You can also use spices of your choice. Mix everything well and make a smooth dough by adding adequate water. Then wet a muslin cloth or cotton kitchen napkin with water. Squeeze out extra water and spread the muslin cloth on the rolling board. The muslin should be moist. Also heat the pan. Now take a portion of the dough. Roll in your palms and flatten it on the muslin cloth. Now with your fingers gently press and flatten the dough to get a thick flatbread. Make a few holes in the thali peat as shown. Now when the pan is hot, spread a bit of oil on the tawa. Lift the muslin cloth and gently place it with the thali peat side touching the pan. Now carefully peel off the muslin from the rolled thali peat dough. Drizzle some oil in the holes as well as the edges. Cover with a lid and let the thali peat cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the base is golden and crisp. Turn over and continue to cook the other side. Once the other side also turns golden brown, turn off the flame. Serve this hot thali peat with 5 gram ghee on it. You can also use white butter. This recipe gives 1 thali peat of 70 grams. The main ingredients are 30 grams split red gram, 20 grams finely chopped tomato, 5 grams of oil, 1 tablespoon galactigo powder. Rinse 30 grams of split red gram in a vessel. Add around 1 cup of water. Add 20 grams of finely chopped tomato, a pinch of asafoetida, pinch of turmeric powder. Now cook this in a cooker for 3 whistles. Once the dal is cooked, take it out from the cooker. Heat 5 grams of oil in a pan and add 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds. When they start popping, add 2-3 cloves of garlic crushed, some curry leaves, a pinch of asafoetida and pinch of turmeric powder. Then add our cooked dal. Now add some salt and red chili powder is to your taste. This is the time to add the galactigo powder. Now simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes and take it out in a bowl. Serve hot with cooked rice or roti. This recipe gives around 180 grams of amti. Thank you.